One. Hi everyone, and welcome to Code with Baby. My name is Dan Torrey, and I'm going to be teaching you about Java variables today. So I've always wanted to record a video while taking care of our infant Cameron here and our toddler Owen, where is Owen? There's Owen, hi! Anyways, these guys hang out with me when I'm at home working in the afternoons, and we have a lot of fun. They keep me company. But especially towards the evening is really the only time my wife and I have time to record any tutorials or do any side projects. So thought I'd give it a go, recording a video with a baby. So anyway, so today I'm going to teach you about Java variables. And the reason is because when I started writing Java, I was a little bit confused about Java variables and how they work and how they're defined. So this video is targeted for an audience that knows really nothing about Java. So we're going to be using a tool today called IntelliJ IDEA, which is an IDE or a code tool that we can use to create and run Java applications. So, and you can download it for free. So just download it, and once you do download it, you'll be able to create a new project. And we're just going to create a really simple project. So choose the Java option from New Project and click Next. And we're going to choose to create from a template just because that is the easiest thing to do. And I'm going to choose Java Hello World. Next. And I am going to call this variables, because we're going to learn about variables today, right, buddy? Okay. I'll put this in the right place. Finish. Yep. Good. So if you're unfamiliar with Java, this is going to create the code we need to run the application. And are you doing okay, buddy? I know. He's hungry, so we got to finish really quickly so we can get you some dinner. Okay. So IntelliJ IDEA creates this main class, which includes the ability for us to just run the application by clicking on this plus right here. Yeah, let's find you a toy. Pardon me, just 1 second. Oh, what are you doing, buddy? Okay, here's a different toy. Okay. No. Do you want to find a different one for him? No? You need to share. Okay, we'll teach you a lesson about sharing later. Okay. So, anyways, so this is Java code that's runnable. And IntelliJ IDEA automatically gives you, hi, do you want to come up here? So it automatically gives you this little green arrow here where you can run the application, and it just prints out hello world to the console. And that just tells you that the program can run. So below hello world is where I'm going to create my variables. So let's start by learning about the integer variable. So I'm going to create an integer for age, and it's going to be equal to the age of our son, which is 2. So this first word that says integer, that is the type of the variable. It's really the type of the object, but let's call it a variable for now because that's just the easiest thing. It makes the most sense. The second thing is a name for it. So in this case, it's age. And then the last thing is the value, which is the variable. Okay, buddy, come on up here. Do you want to come up here? I'm going to have to type with one hand, but that's okay. So that's an integer. Think of it just as a number. The next type of variable is a string. And a string is just a sequence of letters that you could use to spell a word or a sentence. And you can see that as I start typing, and excuse me one second. Hey, buddy. Owen? Yeah. Owen, just because I'm on the video doesn't mean you can crumble up all those papers. Okay. Please be gentle. Thank you. Okay. Excuse me. Thank you. Okay, so you can see that as I start typing, IntelliJ IDEA automatically starts doing auto-completion to help me out. And that auto-completion is showing me that, yes, this word string is a valid Java word. So string name equals, and I'm going to put the name of our son. Here you go, buddy. Here you go, buddy. So again, we have the similar pattern here, where we have the type of the variable or string, or object, I mean, right here, which is string. We have the name of it, which it's a name of somebody, and the name is Cameron. We could also have another variable with a different name, just to show an example. In this case, I'm going to call this mom name. And Cameron's mom's name is Sarah. So here you can see a variable with the name mom name. And the idea is that this name should describe exactly what that variable is. So that other developers and even yourself later on will know what the meaning of it is. So in this case, mom name. And you can see on the right side how the value is surrounded in quotes, and that tells Java where the string begins and ends. So you can see that it's red if I remove those. Excuse me, what did I ask you? Thank you. Anyways, so you can see that it's red. I think those are the two most common ones. So what can you... Okay, perfect. Great. Well, these kids are getting really hungry, so I better go feed them. But anyways, I hope you liked our first lesson. I'm going to go ahead and fix this before we end the session here. So, okay, good. So anyways, so those are a few simple Java variables. And in a subsequent video, we'll talk about how to use those or what to do with those. Cool. Thank you so much. Have a great one.